Inside today's video, I'm going to show you how to promote Clickbank products without a website. You never have to touch any kind of website builder inside of this video, and I'm going to show you how to make money fast, how you can set up this process step by step quickly, and the bonus is you don't even have to show your face on camera in order to make this method work for making money on Clickbank. I'm going to show you the best niche and the best product to promote on Clickbank right now because a lot of people are making money with this product and you need to jump on this trend. I'm also going to show you how to get thousands of clicks for free inside of today's video. So make sure to watch this video all the way through so you get every single step of this method. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content on how to make money online. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. The process that we're going to be using to make money with Clickbank without a website is going to be using TikTok. Now, you don't even have to show your face on camera for this method. I'm going to show you how to get free traffic from TikTok. Take that free traffic, put it on a landing page, and then from there, your customers are going to be clicking on an affiliate link inside of that landing page, and then that's going to lead to you making money and even recurring commissions with this method. And it's extremely simple, and you don't even have to put together this landing page. I'm going to show you how to do it step by step, and I'm going to show you how to make these simple videos without ever putting your face on camera. First things first is head over to clickbank.com and sign up for your free account. It's very simple to sign up. All you have to do is just click on the Start Here button. They're going to give you a couple of survey questions. Go ahead and just answer these questions, and at the very end, go ahead and put in your email address, and that's going to be the email that you're going to be using for your free Clickbank account. Once you're inside your Clickbank account, go ahead and just click on this button that looks like a marketplace because that's going to open up the Clickbank Marketplace, and this is where we're going to be picking out our affiliate marketing products. So go ahead and scroll down on the left and click on this one right here that says spirituality, and then scroll all the way to the top, and we want to do the soulmate sketch, the TikTok and social media monster. This is going to be the product that we are going to be promoting on TikTok, and as you can see here, it has a huge gravity score, so we know that people are making money with this product, and it has an initial conversion price of $19.45, and you can even get $7.19 in recurring commissions inside your bank account every single day with this product. So what you're going to do now is go ahead and just click on it because I want to show you what it looks like. So this is going to be the soulmate sketch. It's a very simple landing page, and they're going to be basically giving your customers these pictures of people, and they pay for these pictures. It's about $19.45. So that's what the landing page looks like. But now what we have to do is grab our affiliate link. So go ahead and click on promote. So now we have to go ahead and just enter in our account nickname. Mine's David ID. Just click on create hop link, and that's going to create your unique affiliate link. So go ahead and just hit that copy button, and that's going to make sure that you have that affiliate link on hand. Now what we want to do is we want to make sure that we can track our affiliate link so we can see the clicks versus the conversion. So what we're going to be doing is using an app called 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗦. So 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗦 is absolutely free. All you have to do is just sign up for a free account, and then once you're inside of 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗦, just go ahead and click on the create button and then paste in that unique affiliate link that we copied from Clickbank. After that, go ahead and just hit the create button on the bottom, and that's going to create your link that we're going to be using on TikTok. So I'm just going to go ahead and just copy my 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗦 link right here, and now we have to head over to build our simple landing page. When it comes to building simple landing pages, I like to use Linktree because you can do it for absolutely free. It doesn't cost you anything to make a landing page with Linktree. So go ahead and just sign up for free, and I will walk you through how to build this landing page step by step. So now we are inside of Linktree. Let's go ahead and add our Clickbank link to Linktree. So go ahead and click on the add new link button. Now we want to give it a title, and I'm going to go ahead and say get your soulmate sketch drawn here, and then where it says URL, go ahead and just paste in your 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗦 link, and then that's going to create that link on our Linktree. So now we're all good to go when it comes to our landing page. It's very simple to create this. Now all we have to do is just copy the Linktree address right up here. So I'm going to go ahead and open up mine, and then I'm just going to copy this, and that's going to be my Linktree address, and we're going to be using that inside of our TikTok bio. Now when it comes to actually creating TikTok content to push out these affiliate links for free, we're going to be using Manifestation 86 as our account that we're going to be modeling after. So as you can see here, they have 1.1 million followers on their account, and they've had almost 20 million likes. So these kind of videos that promote this soulmate sketch are basically text videos with another video playing in the background, and I'm actually going to show you how to create these videos step by step. They're extremely easy to create, and they actually get quite a lot of views. 92,000 right here, 14,000 here, 67,000 here, and as you can see, they keep on using the same background video over and over again. So I highly recommend taking the text that they're using inside of these videos and using that for your own videos, and that's going to allow you to go viral, just like this account has done as well. And as you can see here, they are also promoting the Soulmate sketch inside of their bio. So if I click on their Beacons account right here and I open it up, you're going to see right up here at the top, they're promoting the Soulmate sketch, which is that same ClickBank product that we are promoting with our account. So now when it comes to actually making these videos, I highly recommend that you use Canva. Now you can use the free account with Canva. I, however, have the pro account, and it allows me to have tons of different video clips that I can use to make these kinds of TikTok videos. So when it actually comes to making the video, go ahead and just go to the search bar and type in TikTok. Once you've done that, it's going to open up the TikTok section. And then once we're here, we want to go ahead and click on create a blank TikTok video. Now, if we go back over to the Manifestation 86 page, we can see what type of background videos they're using. They're actually using one right here of the 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗥𝗦𝗧. So I'm going to go ahead and use that for our example inside of our TikTok video. So I'm going to go back over to this blank template, and then I'm going to click on elements, and then up here, I want to search for Rome. And then we want to scroll over to videos, and as you can see, they have so many good videos that we could use in order to promote these manifestation quotes. So I went ahead and scrolled down until I found one that looked a little bit like Manifestation 86 video. So as you can see, it's a video that has the Rome Colosseum in the background. So I found a video that was a little bit similar to it. So if I play this here, you can see that it's just a time-lapse video, and it looks a lot like the one that Manifestation 86 had. So now we have our video. I'm going to go ahead and make this shorter. So I'm going to go ahead and trim up this video to about 7 seconds. Now what you can do is you can actually go ahead and download this video onto your computer and send it over to your phone so that you can upload it onto TikTok. So I opened up my phone on TikTok, and I want to show you exactly how to upload this and turn this into TikTok videos. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on the upload button and upload our clip. Now we can go ahead and just add text to this video and maybe even a trending sound to make it look like Manifestation 86 videos, because we know that those videos have a chance to go viral on TikTok. So I'm going to go ahead and just now add some text. So I click on the text button, and I want to go ahead and go with the classic text. And then I want to say something similar to what Manifestation 86 says. So I'm just going to say, prepare yourself for this Friday. It's going to be one of the best days of your life. And now I'm going to go ahead and add some glow text right above that. So I click back on the text button, and we're going to go ahead and find the neon text, and we're going to turn it into a red color because I think that's going to look pretty good. And I'm just going to type in those numbers one more time. And after we do that, we can click on that and enlarge this. And I'm going to go ahead and say the number is going to be 444, just like one of those videos that Manifestation 86 did. And now we have our video all ready to go. And we can actually just click on the next button, and we can send that off to our TikTok channel. So that's how easy and simple it is to create these manifestation videos. And then inside of the comments, you can actually direct people back to your bio, but make sure not to say the word bio on TikTok, because I found that they do suppress your views on TikTok if you use the word bio. So now that you know how to create these simple videos for TikTok, I recommend that you post 3 videos every single day for the next 30 days, and make sure to always direct people back to the bio using either the name of the playlist for your TikTok videos, or use the comment section in order to direct people back to your bio so that they can click on your Linktree account and purchase that Soulmate sketch from you. What I just showed you was one of the easiest ways to make money with ClickBank using TikTok and without a website. But if you want to know exactly how I make money on TikTok and how thousands of other people are making money on TikTok, I highly recommend that you check out the 15-second free leads program. This is the same course that I took to learn how to build my TikTok account and to make sales on TikTok. It's actually only $1, so it's worth it. You don't really have to invest hardly anything to get inside of this course. So it's $1, and if you take it for 30 days and try it out, then you're going to see that there's tons of value inside of this course. As you can see here, Barry made his first sale on TikTok after taking this course. Right here, Linda had 308,000 views after taking the 7-day TikTok challenge inside of the 15-second free leads program. So a lot of people are having success with this program. I'm going to go ahead and leave the link to 15-second free leads underneath this video inside the description. Go ahead and click on that link and take 15-second free leads if you want to learn how to build your TikTok account and make more money with affiliate marketing. And if you want more video content from me, go ahead and click on the videos that are coming up on the screen now. I'm David. I create content all about making money online and affiliate marketing. So check out my other videos, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys inside of my next video.